Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Friends, today I made a different recipe. Today I made the potato chips that is very crispy. Everybody likes potato chips so much, from elder to the younger. Everyone's favorite is potato chips. So today I made these chips very easy way, and you can try this recipe at your home very easily with less times. So please watch my video till end, and I give you simple steps that you can try this recipe and make a crispy potato. From starting you can see first I washed it with a tap water, then I peeled it very nicely and cut it into thin size. You can see I cut it very thin. If you cut very thin, the potato chips will be so crispy. After cut it very nicely, now I will soak it into the tap water. You don't soak it into boiled water or cold water. After that I washed it very nicely. You can see I washed all the potatoes very nicely. After washing it very nicely, now I will take more tap water and soak it for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, now I will rinse all the water from the chopped potato. After soaking it very nicely, now I will add some salt and mix it very nicely with the potato and keep it for the 20 minutes. If you add the salt when you fry it, it will be not fried very nicely. After 20 minutes you can see our potato becomes soft. If you add the salt before, it will be soft and it will be so crispy. So now I will take a karai and hot some oil very nicely and give all the potato chips one by one and fried it very nicely in medium flame. After giving all the chopped potato into it, now I will keep the flame low and fried it very nicely. It takes 5 to 6 minutes to fry it very nicely till it become golden brown. Friends, you can see our potato fried very nicely. You can see it. Now I will put it down on a plate and serve it. So friends, you can see how easily you can try this recipe at your home. Thank you.